1000W folding electric bike for adults. Overview. Take your rides to the next level with the 1000W folding electric bike for adults. A powerful all-terrain e-bike designed for both city commuters and adventure riders. With its 48V20Ah high-capacity battery, 20-inch fat tires and a foldable aluminum alloy frame, this e-bike delivers unmatched performance, portability, and comfort. Key specifications. Motor power. 1000W brushless geared hub motor. Peak 2000W. Top speed. 30 plus mph varies by rider weight and terrain. Battery. 48V20Ah large removable lithium-ion battery. Range. Up to 80 miles per full charge PS mode. Charging time. 6 to 8 hours. Tire size. 20 inches by 4.0 inches all-terrain fat tires. Transmission. 7-speed Shimano gear system. Frame. Lightweight aluminum alloy foldable design. Brakes. Dual hydraulic disc brakes front and rear. Suspension. Front suspension fork plus rear shock absorber. Display. Smart LCD display showing speed, distance, battery mode. Riding modes. Pure electric mode. Pedal assist mode PS. Manual pedal mode. Weight capacity. Up to 330 pounds 150 kilograms. Bike weight. Approximate. 70 pounds 32 kilograms. Lighting. Bright LED headlight plus rear taillight. Folded dimensions. Compact for car trunk or RV storage. Why you'll love it. Powerful performance. The 1000W motor delivers strong acceleration and effortless climbing power, even on steep hills. Long-lasting battery. Ride up to 80 miles on a single charge with the high-efficiency 48V20Ah removable battery. Fat tires for all terrains. Conquer city streets, sand, snow, or gravel with 4.0-inch puncture-resistant tires. Foldable and portable. Quickly folds in seconds for easy storage at home, in the car, or on public transport. Comfort and safety. Dual suspension and hydraulic disc brakes ensure stability and smooth control. Smart LCD display. Track your speed, battery life, and distance in real time. Eco-friendly commute. Zero emissions and low maintenance make it the smart choice for green commuting. Perfect for city commuters who want a faster, more efficient daily ride. Weekend adventurers exploring mountains or beaches. RV travelers and campers needing a compact, high-performance e-bike. Eco-conscious riders looking for sustainable mobility. Order now.